Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I just wanted to share a quick little recipe that I'm going to be making that I'm actually going to have for lunch right now. So just a little salad, nothing fancy at all, but this is what I have pretty much for like a quick lunch, like when I don't have a lot of time. So I just thought it would be fun to share with you. It's just going to be a basic little chicken salad. As you can see, I got my cheese grater, my knife. I got some regular lettuce, or you can just use like the bagged, like romaine lettuce, and I had some Parmesan cheese. Got some pepper. I got some ranch and some croutons, and my chicken, which I'm going to be chopping up. Yeah, just the basic chicken ranch salad, and this is pretty much just the basic, just the regular chicken from the bag that I buy. They're already pre-cooked, and you just warm them up or throw them in the oven, let them cook. This makes it a lot easier, and I love chicken. Like, who doesn't love chicken? Could shred it, but this is just a lot easier for me. I just throw them in the oven and then let them cook, and then when I'm ready to make my salad or whatever, you can even make a casserole salad, like with pasta, which sounds really good too. You can just boil up. I like using the rotini pasta, and it's just really super good. Yummy! Are you a huge salad eater or chicken salad eater? I love chicken, anything to do with chicken. So yeah, I just chop that up in some small to medium sized bite pieces. It's so good. I'll set that aside. I love to add a little pepper. And at the end of making the salad, I just add pepper. Like I said, this is like nothing fancy whatsoever. I was like, oh, maybe someone would like to watch me make a chicken salad. And this is fresh lettuce. It's just just a basic head romaine lettuce. Head. And I just like to chop it up. You can use your hands too. It doesn't really matter. Crunchy and crispy and fresh. Just yummy. Usually buy the bagged lettuce, but I don't know, I just really like this one. And it's good for sandwiches, or throw on like pastas, or just different foods. Anyway, it's gorgeous today. It's like sunshine. I don't know whether it's been like weird off and on, but it's nice today, and the salad sounds really good. So I am gonna make me salad. This is really good with like pasta or spaghetti or something like that. But anyway, now I'll just add the chicken on top. That looks yummy already. Mix it in just a little bit. Doesn't that look good? Go ahead and put this away. Yeah, I try to make more videos, but it's just been a busy week. this is aged Parmesan cheese, which is always the best to buy instead of the where's my knife at? Oh, let me grab that. You always want to buy the cheese where you can shred it yourself. It's more tastier. So it's gonna make your food taste better. Yum, yum, yum. Yep, smells like Parmesan. To add a lot, just take a bit and slice away. Look at that. And I'll just mix it up a bit. Of course, you can always use like 2 forks, you know. Fork, whatever floats your boat. And again, nothing too fancy, just a basic chicken salad. Like, who doesn't love a salad when it's got yummy chicken in it, some Parmesan, and I'd say that's good. Oh, my baby girls want cheese. Have their food. I like to add a little bit of pepper. Yum, guys. It's just, yeah, it's just a lot more healthy. Which I can use more health in my life, healthy foods. My mouth is watering already. Not too much. A couple tablespoons of ranch. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That looks just so good already. Yeah, the chicken. Pepper, some ranch, Parmesan. Now what you need are some croutons. I don't know, it's just like fun posting some videos. I thought I'd share it with you. This definitely is not fancy. I'd like to add some like baby tomatoes or, you know, some vegetables. Some sliced carrots or, I don't know, some crunchy vegetable, but like this is super good right here. It'll fill you up. It's perfect to eat for lunch or even for dinner. Like when you're hungry, you don't have a lot of time to make something. That's me right now. Like a bowl full of yummy salad. Look at that. Alright guys, I'm going in. It's bite time. It's go time. Whoops. Thumbnail. Maybe add some chicken. Look at that. Alright. Now my mouth can fit all that. Every other time. Guys, always a good time to have a salad, alright? Highly recommend you make one. Be happy you did. Add your own veggies in there. You can even add tuna instead of chicken or whatever meat that you want. So good. If you're a salad lover, give this video a thumbs up and drop me a comment. Anyway, I just wanted to share this quick little video with you and how I make my salad. That way you can make your own. Super easy. Oh my god. As you can see, nothing fancy. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye.